Hi, my name is Vanessa Quiñones, a student the social program at UNAD University. I am your coach. To lead a healthy life and preventing diseases, you could apply the following tips. 1. Maintain a balanced diet with fruits such as apple, banana, kiwi, grape, blueberry, strawberry, pineapple, mango, coconut, etc. Vegetables such as keratin, spinach, broccoli, avocado, shad, celery, beet, etc. And proteins like eggs, almond, chicken, tuna, salmon, yogurt, lentils, meat, bean, etc. 2. Exercise regularly about 30 minutes of walking or jogging to take care of your health. 3. Avoid excesses such as alcohol and cigarette. 4. Have regular medical checkups, has laboratory tests and physical exams to detect diseases. Sleep between 7 and 8 or at night. 6. Stay hydrated. 7. Get vaccinated to prevent diseases. 8. Wash your hands to prevent diseases. 9. Remember that taking care of your habit is essential for your life. Thank you.